Hey, it's Dave Lee here, Signal Snowboards. We're at the Lodge, our factory. We're gonna do a community project with Sierra Snowboards, and we're gonna build a custom board tailored and designed by the community, yes you. So up here is where we do all the graphics. We do silk screening, sublimation, hand painting. We do it all. As you can see, these are all the drying racks. These are our two beautiful employees over there, Jeff and Meg. And they're basically laying up all your signal graphics right now. We're actually printing your signal graphics. Take a look around. Here's where we bring in all the base material, and we basically cut out all the shapes of the boards in our big die press here. It also pops out the beacon that you see on the signal bases. We basically assemble the base material into the shape of the board, and then we put the edges on over here. Here you see the edges being put on the board. They're all glued and secured so that they don't come out, they don't come unattached in the press. And from here it goes onto a cart with the materials. Here's all our fiberglass. You can choose from triaxle, biaxle, different weights, go into different boards, whether it's a freestyle board or an all-mountain board. We have carbon stringers. We have all sorts of stuff. We have some secret stuff. Maybe I'll tell you later. CNC edge bender right there. It's bending, looks like maybe a 150. After we get all the parts together, they go on a cart for a day's work. So when we finalize that Sierra board, all the parts will be here, and it will be sent over to the press. Once we get to the press, we'll grab some resin. One of the most important aspects of a board. Like a lot of factories overseas use really inexpensive resin. That is not a good thing. Usually when your board breaks, it's the resin being too thin in one place. It's usually not the core or the fiberglass, it's the resin. So really important that you use quality stuff, and we do. Here's the signal press. Right now we got a double-decker, one on top, one below. And once we get that board designed by you, we'll throw it in there, it'll press it out. After your board's pressed, we'll send it through finishing. All these great guys over here will be finishing your board. It gets cut out, it gets drilled, it gets ground in three different belts to get that smooth surface, and then it gets waxed, and then through QC. Quickly, I just wanted to show you guys the core shop. It's a really important part of our factory. We profile all our cores to fit every size board we make. So that basically means we don't take our cores and just shorten them for different lengths. We tailor them out so our boards are lightweight, and you're always riding over the center of the core, depending on what size board you ride. Your cores. So they go on that CNC, and they get cut out, and then we put all the tip and tail material and the sidewalls on here, and then they go into layup. And when it's all done, you'll have a beautiful Sierra board, much like the Signal board here, new park rocker, which we're really proud of. So get to designing, and we'll get to building.